Kuliah buni fibro saya akan nika video benta aku akan ajeng tu fish pangat kubor like kam te kane kan advertisement kalau ambil lakam slam nadu santrik April arjafar tang bangan ang shio sian hi teng aku akan pentip lam nam tak itu bom yo kane ka notice dengan pulih kat kane advertisement. Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited will conduct a work interview for the post of Junior Divisional Accountant on contractual basis for a period of 1 year on payment of remuneration of 15,500 per month. Kumba kane ketika post jong Junior Divisional Accountant on contractual basis ketutop kandai katsana jasan spa shibanai haka period of 1 year. Number of posts kidon kumba live and totally educational qualification they belong bapas bachelor degree in commerce, bachelor degree in science, lane arts with mathematics or statistics as one of the subject with additional qualification of MBA or bachelor degree in business administration with specialization in financial management. Kawai nak kini mo lada PD BCom hilap apply, ada PD BSc hilap apply, ada PD BA with mathematics hilap apply, ada PD BBA hilap apply mo. Te ka place of interview nam ta garu hel adab nadu ka khandai April te nam ta ki khasi jantia bat ribhoi bada ka tarik interview kan dai option tarik April arjafar 10 baje senang ka jaka banlong interview ka dai po Lumjing Shai Guest House Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited Short Round Road East Kharsial District Shillong Nyok Khandai Lai Nonaway Tiki bakwa ban apply kane kin le kumno kin haban thidi ka standard form pandap hang tu man lang bar ki original bar ki certificate original certificate ran kalang bar ki bala xerox and supporting document and one passport size photograph gawe kadur dakan mau yon ka standard form haban le thit na po dukan kino dukan xerox kila bandon te sa pandap hi sarai ha kutukasngi ka porban day interview. No TDA will be paid to the candidate to attending the interview. Amdon jingstu haban lut hina plan dalade. Registration of candidate will be from 9 am to 12 am noon. Mod haka tu kasngihi ka arsan tarik kin register kin sedang nadu khandai baje bat kin kud hadu ka kat ar baje. Tang gine jing putip kublejbun.